It's raffle time again. Find out what you could win this month right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, it's reveal day for the raffle for September 2024. What is it? It's going to be the D-Day commemorative box set of the ICM Marauder in 1/48 scale. Now this set combines the outstanding B26 Marauder kit in 1/48, made from a 2024 tooling, with a set of air and ground crew personnel from a 2021 release. Now to be in with a chance of winning this, all you have to do is visit the site listed below here. That's also given in the information box below, and there's a QR code you can scan if you are more comfortable doing that. That will take you to a company called Raffle, who are my partners for the event. All you have to do there is give them some login information. Otherwise, they won't know how to contact you if you should win the prize. And then answer a fairly simple question using your skill and judgment. Trust me, you shouldn't have too much trouble answering this correctly. If you are correct, you can then go forward and purchase tickets for the raffle. Tickets are £1 each. There are also multi-buy offers available. Now, funds raised from the raffle will go to making Gary's Stuff a better place by investing in equipment and software and things like that. And remember, 10% of all the proceeds do go to Models for Heroes. This is a superb charity that uses model making to help people who are serving or former members of the armed forces and blue light first responders who are dealing with mental health issues as a result of their service to our country. More information about this very good charity are through the link here, which is also repeated in the information box below. Now, the raffle opens today, that's the 2nd of September 2024, and it goes through to the end of the 14th of September, so about 12 days. So the raffle closes at midnight at the end of the 14th of September 2024, British Summer Time. At the end of the raffle company will automatically and completely independently of me choose a winning ticket. That ticket winner will be notified by me, so make sure your contact email address is correct before you pay out your money. I'll get in touch with you, figure out how to send the thing to you, and I will send it to you at my expense no matter where you are in the world. So, no matter where you are, feel free to enter the raffle. That's it for the moment. Hope to see you again very soon. Very best of luck if you do enter the raffle, and I'll catch you on the channel. Thanks very much for watching today. Take good care now, and goodbye.